Okay, create a file, give the file name called dl.html. Carried your system, laptop?
No, I have ordered it.
You have system? Use that. On that.
I told you they provide laptop. Yeah, they provide laptop.
They will provide the laptop, but first day.
No, 2 days.
Hmm?
2 days they provide the laptop. I told you.
You can use from tomorrow because laptops will be locked inside. Will ask them to decount. You can use my laptop today. Hope created the file dt.dl.html definition list.html dl. Save this file on desktop. dl.html. Okay, so hope file is ready. dl.html. Go to the dl.html file. In dl.html, you can start from HTML open and close. Follow inside call body tag, and under body tag you can write one h1 tag. It call dl definition list example. dl definition list example. Coming down, we can start with the dl tag. After that, inside the DL tag, the first tag will come, that is called DT, definition title. Definition title, as we have written there, write again similar question. Where is Bangalore? Where is Bangalore? Suppose one question someone posted. Now for that question, one DD, one definition list, one reply came. In like, it is in Karnataka. Now suppose one more person reply on the same question. What's your? But in MP. One more person reply DD saying like, right? So you saw for one question, how many answers? 3 answers. So this is called DT and DL. Many places you have gone through the online exams, question answer, comments, blogs. In Facebook, someone will post a question, many people will reply on that. So whoever has posted his photo will start from beginning. Whoever will reply, his details will start after some space. Okay. Or maybe multiple choice question. If you have attended somewhere, you will see one question, multiple answer. Right. So those kind of content we can display through the DL and DT. So one DT is over. Let me create another DT. Definition title. Saying like, what is job condition? Conditions in Bangalore or India. You can say India. One question. One person reply on that. saying like improving. Okay, one more person replied saying like better now, better now. One more person reply on that. DD is opening for more openings, right? I okay. Now after that we can run this file and then we will see DL and DT how it comes. DL must start from beginning and DD will start after some space. DT will start from beginning and DD will start after some space. From left side, that's a by default structure. If we have those kind of content somewhere, we can use this tag and we can create the page. I will write where to use, where not to use. You have attended any classes online?
No.
You have attended any classes?
No.
First day you came today. You have attended any classes? People have attended for 3 days. Write it, save no? You have the system, right?
Yeah.
Create a file, save it, write it. Whether first day or 10th day, you have to write the code, then only you will become a developer.
It's HTML coding ones. HTML coding text one.
You have to write.
Right.
You have to write from beginning. Please let me know once you write it. Write and run the page, check once. Page is running or not.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so hope you are able to write it and run it. Working. I will also show you how that look. You write it continuous. Just look like this. It is saying the first line where it is in Bangalore. So it's starting from the beginning. And whichever the answer we have written is starting after some space. Right? You saw that. So this is the structure of DT and DA. We will apply some other tag to make it more look and feel. To change the look and feel, we will use some other tag. So you download Notepad plus plus. Notepad plus plus you download and install. Notepad plus plus. Okay, so only 4 people is able to write. What about others? Okay, next after that, we'll do a small modification in that. The page is running here, it's look like this. We will write here one HR or maybe we can create another file, and in other file we can see we can create another file, and in another file we can see in another file come here in the last, right here H2 tag, use of font tag, use of font tag. We'll write here below how to use the font tag. Using DL and DT, how the font tag is going to help you. I will start with another DL tag. DL open and close. DL open and close. One DL open and close. After that, inside this DL, we can use the next call. Next call DT. DT. Under the DT, we can use another tag called font. F-O-N-T, font. Using font, you can change the color and size. Font color equal to red. Red. So what will happen is the text will convert into red color. What is job condition, or maybe we can write another question. Which is best technology? Which is best technology? Now, this which is best technologies, it will come in the red color. To change the color text color in the HTML, you have to use a tag called font. Using the font tag, we can change the color property and we can change their size property. Let me write here called size. Size equal to 1 is the minimum and 7 is the maximum. 1 is the minimum and 7 is the maximum. So I given as a 7. So what you will see is, you will see what is the best technology will come in very big font size. It will come bigger than H1. It will come very big font size. It will come bigger than H1. Write one DL and check once. Okay, so hope written. Now after that, let me show you how this text is coming big font size. Is come here. You can see it is coming in the which is best technology coming in the red color, and font size also become as a big font size. Right, further, if you have any kind of requirement to change the color and to change the font size, which tag you are going to use? You're going to use the tag called font. Using font tag, we can change the color and we can change the size. Now font is the part of DT, definition title. Come next. Next we have called DD. DD, definition details. Under the definition details, okay, under the definition details, we have to give some option. So we'll write here, first called Java technology. Next is called a full stack technology, full stack. Full stack. Next we can write call DD UI technologies. Next you can write mobile app technologies. So these all are called as a DD for this particular DL. So in the DL, using the font, you increase the size, and using their color property, you change the color. Using the size, we change the size of the font. But more than 7, it will not go. It is the maximum is 7 only. 1 is the smallest, and 7 will be the largest, biggest. Hmm? Come again? LI college LI. Okay. I wrote here LI. It should become as a DD, not LI. It should be DD. Okay, check now. What is the final output of that? You can see here. Heading came big size, and there below content came little small in size. Come down below next. Add one more DT. DT definition title. Inside, use a font tag again. Font tag again. Keep color equal to green and size equal to 6. Okay. Next, in that, write another question. Mean stack stands for. Like, what is the full form of mean stack? Stands for one question, but it should be under the DT. Yeah, it's under the DT only. Now come down below. Write the DD for that. MongoDB Express Angular plus Node. Next DD something. Assume some people replied like this. So one becomes a question, remaining becomes a answer. Save now and let's look at say what it says. It's come in green color as well as multiple options are there. Spacing is not there. Spacing we can apply through the BR. We have a BR tag. Before the DT, you can use the BR. It will work properly. Before DT, you can use the BR. It will work properly. One space will get applied. If you want more space, we can use again the same tag BR only, but one space will be enough. Okay, something like this. Save now. In that, you got idea on DT, DL and DT and how to change the color and how to change the font size. Using font tag, we can use in HTML to change the color and size. Anywhere we can use the font, there is no limitation. Inside any tag, we can use the font. It's just for the text formatting purpose. Color, size, font family, and some more property will be inside. Check once, it should work. Then we can write the next example. No problem. Yes. Okay. Fine then. Go ahead next. Okay. Next file will create. Next file will create. Before that, we can make a small note what we are going to do in the next file. In the next file, we are going to do the linking of the pages. How to link the pages. Like on internet, you will see if you open any website, if you open the Flipkart, if you click on any product, it will go to their page. If you click on any category, it will go to their page. Click anywhere, everywhere, it will be hyperlink and it will go to the different pages. When you go to the Facebook, click on anyone profile, anyone name, it will go to their page. Right, in the LinkedIn, click on anyone name, photos, it will go to their page. So those are hyperlink. Okay, that's called a hyperlink. How to link the pages in HTML? We have a very good tag, a small tag. That tag is called a tag. Using a tag, we can make an anchor tag. A is called as an anchor tag. The technical name is called anchor tag. Using that, you can link multiple pages together. You can link one page at a time and one to many, many to many, everywhere you can do. Okay, so that example we will do. That is our next step. So we'll go to the developer guide, and in developer guide, I will write here the next step, that is called how to link the HTML pages. How to link the pages. Okay, it's not only HTML page, we can link any page, but how to link that. So we have a tag called example, we have a tag called e tag. It has a property called href. Okay. Under this href property, you have to put the name of the file where you want to go. Suppose, for example, I'll go here, I'll write here as a new user, register. Okay, I close the a tag. So what it represents? It represents like a question mark for the user. Are you new? If new, then what to do? Go for register. So when the user will click on this hyperlink, where he should go, right? He should go. He should be able to redirect to some other page. So that file name we need to write here. Call next file name .html or anything. Next file name .html. Okay, or I can write called register.html. When the user will click on new and register, once you click on a hyperlink, it will redirect to the next page. That will be called as a register.html file. While doing the hyperlink, we have many property. We have 6-7 property we have. Next second. Okay, so we'll write a next file, create two file, give the file name call Page 1.html, we have already created anywhere page 1. Let me check in the folder. Page 1, 2 we have already. So no problem. We can write the next file called link1. Link1.html and one more file link2.html. Create two files in your folder. Two files you can create, link1.html, link2.html. Two files you can create two files, link1.html, link2. Don't give a space in the file name. Link one together, link two together, no space in that. Keep together, don't give any space. Link one and link two. Link1.html, link1.html, one file, and create one more file here. Give the file name link2.html. Link2.html. Link 1 and link 2. Both should be in one folder only. We will be linking the link 1 to link 2 and link 2 to link 1. One to each other. A to B, B to A. Let's go. HTML open close. Follow the body tag. HTML open close. Follow the body tag. In that now you will write here one H1. Okay, H1. Write inside call item list. Coming down, use a p tag. Under the p tag, p is called as a paragraph tag. Here you can display multiple lines. You can use more than 130 character. Keep one more line, ABCD. Okay, keep one more line. Keep one more line, like 3-4 lines you can copy paste. I have given you one shortcut one day. If you want to copy and paste one line, after writing one line, keep your cursor in the last. After writing one line, keep your cursor in the last and press Ctrl and D. Ctrl and D. Ctrl and D. Suppose my cursor is in the last, I will press Ctrl and D. That line will get copy and paste, copy and paste. Okay. Next, after that, after this paragraph, I will come down and I will follow one ahref tag. ahref equal to under the href property. Href is the property especially for linking purpose to generate the hyperlink. A is the tag name. Without href, A will not make a hyperlink. So href is compulsory to make a hyperlink. Under this href, you have to give the name of the next file where you want to go. So from the link 1, we want to go to the link 2. So we can write here link2.html. Link2.html. Okay, link2.html. We can write inside. Go next page. Go to next page. So it will generate a hyperlink. In that hyperlink, go to next page will be linked. Once you click on that, it will redirect to the next page directly. That is called go to next. Okay, hope ready. Write this, run the file. You will see one hyperlink will appear. Go to next page. Any text is fine. ABCD, ABCD you can write. Control D, Control D you can do. It will create a duplicate of that. Copy paste will happen many times. This will look like this. Item list. Once we click on go next, it will go to the next page. Or instead of item list, right here. Okay, let it be. That is not big matter. So hope your link one is ready. In case if you want to break the line, you want to bring in the new line, no problem. Anywhere in between, you can write a BR, and after that, it should break the line. Your content will get break into double line. Half will come in one line, and half will go to the new line automatically. So that how that look? It's look like this. Half content should be in one line, and half content should go to the new line. Something like this. Line break will happen in between. Okay, save the file. Save the file, and let's come to the next page. That is called link2.html. Everywhere on internet, wherever you have clicked till date, and you are going to click from now onwards, everywhere people use this tag. That is called a tag. Okay, everywhere in the web page, HTML will be hyperlinked based on this tag only. That is called a tag. Using a tag, your page will become hyperlinked. Now we'll come to the link2 file. Under the link2 file, let's start from HTML again and then follow the body tag. Inside the body tag, we can give a BG color. BG color. Now BG color is a property. BG color is a property. Using that, you can change the default background of your current screen. Default background is white. We can change some other color. For example, if I keep call pink. So background of link2 will convert into pink color. That right here, the H1 Apple details. Apple details or item details. Item details. Previous file was item list, and this is called item details. Now come down below, write a paragraph. Under the paragraph, few lines should be bold. Few words should be bold. So I'll use the B here, and something we can write. This content will come in bold. Next, after that, some regular text, normal text. Okay. Next, after that, we can use a U tag. Underline will happen. Underline will happen. Next, after that, again some regular text. This is one paragraph. You can write bold, italic, underline anywhere. B for bold, I for italic, U for underline. Font, using font, you have changed the text color. Come now. Write one more paragraph. Add some text, anything ABCD. Okay. Next we can use the A tag. A href equal to, we have to go back to the previous file, that is called link1 link1.html. link1.html. Okay, link1.html. Here we will use the font tag to change the font size, so that whichever the hyperlink we are going to generate, it will come little big font size. Okay, whichever the hyperlink we are going to write, it should become little big font size. We will use here a tag called font size equal to size equal to let's give as a 5, and then we can write here, go back to first page. Go back to first page. Now from the link 2, it will redirect to the link 1. But this font, the text what you have written, go back to first page, it will come in big font size. It will come in big font size. It will come in big font size. Let us check once. Okay, it's coming like this, and then go to first page. If you click here, it will come back to the first page, and from here it will go to the next page. Previous, next, linking is ready. Easily you can navigate from one page to other page. Check once, hope your page should be running. Link 1 to link 2, link 2 to link 1. Okay. What is the file name given? This here. This is the test setup. File name is not. L-I-L. Running for your page. Because we are not reading it. So create file names. Create a file. One space is required. Alright.
was that? Next file.
See, to be a developer, if you are not able to speak English, that is fine. You should be able to write the code. Only one requirement. For developer, only one requirement. What is that? Person must be able to write the code. Okay. 2 month, 3 month continuous. If you are writing step by step, not 2 month, 3 month. Within 10 days, confidence will come. But if you listen only, no meaning. You see 24/7, watch the video from YouTube. You cannot write a single line of code. Okay. You cannot speak any answer of any question. But if you are writing the code, okay, no need to read the theory. You can answer to question. Suppose if anyone asks, what is the extension of HTML file? You created the file now. What extension you given? .html. No need to read the theory. You can say directly yes, .html. How to run HTML file? No need to run the theory, no, because you have implemented many times. Same thing you explain. So this is not the actual question. Question will come something else, right? So if the person have a knowledge, they can explain the question in their own language. Okay. If the person have knowledge, if the person has no knowledge, if they will read from internet 100 hours also in a day, he cannot answer properly to a question. He can answer the book definition, but if a person will modify a question, he cannot answer that question. But if a person have an actual practical knowledge, you modify anything in your question, he will be able to answer you. Because what you are going to modify, he has implemented and he has seen already. Okay. So for that purpose, to be a developer, only one Guru Mantra is there. What is that? Person must write the code. Okay. Person should love the code, writing the code. Without writing 3-4 pages in a day, your food should not digest in the evening. You should feel like I am unable to sleep today because I have not created 3-4 pages. That is the practice of developer. Okay. That way, if you do, nothing to worry. You can get chance. Knowledge is only matter. Just collect the knowledge in the systematic way, okay, not in the random way. Okay. Sequentially, you collect the knowledge. Definitely, it will help you out. Okay. What we are learning is the sequence area only. Go ahead. Okay. Let's create the next file. Okay. Next file we can create. I suggest our candidate who go for interview, it is not necessary if a person is asking the question, you can create the definition on a spot. Is it possible from everyone's side? No. Suppose you went for an interview, a person will ask a question. It is not necessary you can make a definition on a spot from your side, right? But you have implemented it. You have implemented already in the system. No need to keep a definition. What you have implemented, you explain the same thing. A person asks what is the particular, okay, what is the DT, okay. If you are unable to give a proper definition, no problem. You have implemented, for example, your answer should start from where? For example, I want to display like this, I want to do like this, I want to do like this. So for that, I will write like this, I will write like this, I will write like this. This is the actual answer. The person will understand he has implemented. Okay. Definition is not necessary. And definitely, if you are able to implement it on a spot, if anyone asks a question, you can create a definition from your side on a spot. If you have a knowledge inside, that knowledge will come from where? Not from the theories. It will come from the code only if you write it. Okay. So from first day onwards, I ask the people, okay, you write anything, but start writing. Okay. Maybe first day you are not able to write all the code, no problem. Half you have written, leave that. Try next example. Write in that, you will write 70%, no problem. Try third example, You will reach till 80%. Correct? 4-5 example automatically will start following me. After few days, I will not write all the code. I will start, I will end. In between, I will ask to write. After few days, I'll give the photo. This is the photo. See and write the code. After few days, I will give the scenario. This is the condition you need to create example. That is the way to learn. Okay, write the code. It's a compulsory. Okay, so let's come to the developer guide. What we wrote here called link. How to link the pages. Okay. Now on internet, you have already seen. Sometime in some website, when you click on hyperlink, it open the new tab. Okay, go to Naukri and try today. Okay, search anything, click on any job, it will open a new tab. Okay. Sometime you will see when you click on a hyperlink, new tab will not open, a pop-up window will open. Your main page remains same, and in the same page, another small window will open. Okay, that is also the part of this only. Which one? Hyperlink. Okay, in the Gmail, if you remember, if you go to the Gmail, when you click in the left side inbox, trash, spam, anywhere you click, you will not feel entire page reload. Only the content will get changed where in the right side. Okay, that is also part of this one only. Which one? A tab. That come under the target. We are going to make a note of that. Okay, so let's come here. Right here, a property called target. Okay, and right here another one called, you can make a note somewhere simple. Okay, for this all I have documentation, I'll give you in few days. Next, target. Another one is called title. Okay, target and title. Now come first to write call A is tag name. A is a tag name. Next, after that, href. What is that? It is property. It is a property used to generate link. Okay, without href, your A will not generate a link. So href is required for what purpose? To generate a link. Next after that, you have a property called target. What it will do? Target will define when you click on a hyperlink, next page is open. The target will define where the page will open. Okay, see in this example we have seen today, when we are clicking on link, it is going to the next page, right? It is going to the next page. But the target property, what we are going to write here, target property will define next page will open. That is the true only. That is the job of href. Once you click on that, it will go to the next page. Target property will redirect where to open, whether open a pop-up window, open a new tab, open a blank tab, open the self window, or what to do. 7 types of targets are there. Okay, so we can make a note and then we'll go ahead. Okay, so let's write. You can write here. It define the location. It define the location for next file to be open. Like it's define the location for next file where should open. That I have converted into something to be open. Okay, it define the location for next file to be open. Where the next file, when the people will click on hyperlink, next file is going to open, where it will open, that will be controlled by target property. It has 7 types. We'll make a note. We have written there called title. What is the meaning of title? Okay, what is the use of that? Okay, title is going to play the major important role under the digital marketing. When a person create a website and he promote on internet and he want his website should come in Google search, so their hyperlink will play the major important role, and along with that in hyperlink, title property play the major important role. So I can write here, it is for digital marketing. Digital marketing. It is for digital marketing to promote the page on internet. It is for digital marketing to promote the page on internet. Okay. So EHREF you saw title we have not implemented. I'll guide you in next example also. I'll guide you, and once you come under the jQuery, their title will play the major important role again. Let me come here. Right here, type of target. Type of target. How many type of target we have? Okay. So one we have called underscore self. Underscore self. Underscore self. Second we have called underscore blank. Blank. Not blank, you can start directly. You can say self and then new. New. The third you can write underscore blank. Okay. Fourth you can write underscore. Okay. So you can write these three. Fourth one also you can write underscore parent. Fifth you write underscore child. As I told you, when you click on hyperlink, pop-up window will open. That is called target equal to child. Once you click under the parent window, main window, pop-up window will open. Next, write the sixth one, that is called underscore top. And write the seventh one, that is called user defined. User defined. We can create our own. We can create our own. We can create our own. That is called user defined. So these all are right till here. Okay, let me write here, split it separately. While learning, it will be easy. In HTML, when we are going through the HTML, we will learn this three. These three will come under the JS. In JavaScript. Okay, under the JavaScript. Last three we can write this one in HTML FRAME frame set. So all three are not mixed together. What 7 types of target you have written? This is not mixed together. Okay, all 7 types of target is not mixed together. So AHREF hyperlink you can use in HTML also directly. Hyperlink we are going to use in JavaScript also. Hyperlink we are going to use under the HTML. We have a feature called frame set there also. So this all 7 types of target one by one will cover. So our next class will be understanding of these three. Which three? Underscore self, underscore new, underscore blank. Through internet. On internet we'll open any example and first I will show you and then we'll implement and we'll understand. Oh, this looks like this. Once we come in JavaScript, we will guide you through pop-up window how it open. And once in the HTML only, once we come under the frame set area, frame set topic, then we'll understand the top how it works and we can create our own also and then we'll work. Okay. So hope you can make a note. If you have not made the note, you can take a photo. It will be helpful for you. Notes is compulsory. Okay, you can write it. If you see in my system, nearly 300 plus GB space is filled. Okay, in that what I have, every batch when I write HTML examples, what I'm writing for you, I repeat for them. What theory I'm writing in this file, developer guide, I will repeat for the next people also. The reason is only one. If I will write, I believe you will also write along with me. And if you are writing, your 50% will get clear during writing time itself. Because you are writing one side, another side you are implementing, another side you are listing the same thing, and the fourth side I am showing some example from internet also, scenario wise. So there is a much chance to implement. So make a note as well. It's a kind of a guide for you. Okay. Okay, hope written. Next after that, 9:30 we reached now. So we will see you next tomorrow. And then Tomorrow we'll start from here. From where? From the target property. This three target we'll see first through another example. And after seeing the target property, we will not go to the frame set directly. We'll go to the table. We will see how to create the table. Table have multiple 10 plus 15 plus property values are there, how to use those. After finishing the table, we will come back to the frame set. But this all will be the type of output tag. This all are not input tag. After finishing the day after tomorrow class, we will come under the input tag and then we'll mix both input and output. You will start feeling much meaning. Okay. Design will be better. You can say page layout will be proper. More confidence will come up. WordPress is not available in this course. Even WordPress is not available also. I have worked on the WordPress many years, but due to time problem, now I don't teach WordPress. For one person is not possible because there is a lot of workload. Classes are there, office work is there, plus the people who get the chance from us, they will have some support work. So time is busy, complete 20 into 7, not 24 into 7, 20 into 7. Per day, 20 hours work, 7 days. So one-to-one WordPress, one-to-one, some specific course are not available. I have expertise on 25 plus technologies, but due to time problem, priority on higher area side. WordPress is not available under the UI development. That is a part of web development. The people who learn PHP, for them WordPress is applicable. Okay, so hope you have written. If you have not written, take the photo. Then see you tomorrow again, 8:15. Maybe from next week, if all people will be confirm how many people are going to continue, then we can go ahead in 15 minutes more late, but not this week. And other people, like whoever want to continue, please contact to them. Today, I think tomorrow onwards, they will not allow me to enter everyone. Only registered people can log in. So please communicate on this number 8841 66608 anytime in a day. If they have called you, you need to call them back, communicate with them. And then from tomorrow onwards, everyone cannot log in. Selected people will log in who want to continue. That is not my problem. That is a rule regulation.